to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a egg sandwiches. I haven't known that it's originated in Japan. And then also now my home island is getting hot. Temperature is around 23 to 25. Not too hot, so it means that it's a perfect temperature to go outside. So that's why I wanna do that like a picnic with my friend today. So okay, let's get started.
So, okay, these are the ingredients for today. The key to deliciousness are semi-boiled egg and a generous coating of mayonnaise. So, okay, first, bring water to the boil over medium-high heat.
Okay, hot water is ready. So I need the eggs.
So, please take the eggs out from the fridge just before boiling. And this is not mandatory, but make a small hole on the bottom of the egg. This makes it easier to peel the shell because the carbon dioxide in the egg goes flat during the boiling process. So I need to dip them, but I don't want to shock the eggs, so I use a ladle. So 8.5 minutes in boiling water is gonna give us the semi-perfect soft-boiled egg.
泡が出てる卵から。Okay, 8 minutes has passed.
So okay, after boiling them, I'm gonna drain off the water and put them in some cold water straight away. So, and then when the eggs have cooled enough, let's peel off the shells. So, okay, I peeled all the shells. So next, use a paper towel to pat the eggs dry. So, okay, and then next, roughly chop the all eggs.
半熟。looks good. 美味しそう。
So, and then place the coarsely chopped eggs in a bowl and seasonings.
Okay, let's next. Please add the 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then mix well. And then also please sprinkle some black pepper and salt.
So please feel free to adjust the amount of condiments to your liking.
Okay, it's done. So next.
So okay, and then next, spread the bread with the eggs. But I don't like a bread crust, so I will cut it.
So I wanna use the mustard. So please split the bread with the mustard.
I apologize to you. I also buttered it, but I forgot to press the record button. So it's me, I don't have it. I buttered half the bread and spread mustard on the other half. So, and then generously brush the eggs on each bread. So, okay, and then wrap in cling film and cut in half with a knife, and then it's ready.
So okay, let's cut the sandwiches. じゃーん、こんな感じ、卵サンド。
Ta-da! This is a classic Japanese egg sandwiches.
Not bad. So I will bring to outside.
So, okay, before going for a picnic, I want to get some drinks at the only coffee shop on Kikai Island. So, we are here at the Uru Coffee, so you can drink a delicious coffee roasted in the shop. And Shimachu Life has made a video introducing the Uru Coffee, so if you want to know more about it, please check his YouTube. The URL is in the description box. And he is this shop's owner, Mr. Soichiro. Doesn't he have lovely smile? And me and my friend ordered the coffee dolce and the coffee milk with the homemade syrup. It was really lovely taste. So, okay, let's go to the beach. はい、今日も卵サンドを作りましたよ。今日も食べてくれるのはももこちゃんと一緒に海に来ました。杉田ビーチはこんにちは。後ろもね、海綺麗でしょ。My home island, Kikai Island sea looks so beautiful, isn't it? Good. So and then this is the time. 旅 な卵なんだっけサンドイッチそうじゃあちょっと風強いですけどももこちゃん食べてください今日もお願いします
いただきます。
レッツ次そうでも多分これラップ取るのがさちょっと大変なので家で作ってきました
いただきます。
いいねあいいピクニックにはいい景色だわいいねどうおいしい
めっちゃ美味しい。
本当ふわふわしてますなんか味的にはなんか普通の卵サンドって感じする
いつもの卵サンド。
それコンビニに売ってる
コンビニに売ってる。
あよしよし
サンドイッチの中で卵サンドが一番好きで。
あ本当そうなんだ美味しいよね
好きな卵サンドだ。
なんか卵サンドってあれだって日本発祥なんだって
あ、そうなの。
そうだから作ろうと思って作ってみることにしたの今
ここでも作る。
日はい何個でも食べてくださいありがとうございますあとねフルコーヒーも買ってきたからね合いますね
ナイス。
完璧です、ちゃんと食べ終わったしはいじゃあゴミもらおうありがとう
もう一個いいですか。
あもう一個いいよ食べてでももう多分もう広告までで十分だよそうありがとうじゃあ皆さんももこちゃんの食べてるのをバックに Thank you for watching guys and have a look so beautiful see and Momoko is eating the sandwiches so and if you enjoyed my video please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video bye